Snowstorms hit Turkey. More than 2,000 roads blocked. Heavy snow and snowstorms have hit 18 Turkish provinces, blocking thousands of roads, disrupting people's lives. Turkey Radio, TRT, reported on February 23 that 2,173 roads in 18 provinces nationwide were closed due to the snowstorm. Traffic in the eastern provinces was severely affected. Van Province recorded up to 40 centimeters of snow. 46 rural roads in Meuse Province were inaccessible. 50 rural roads were completely blocked in the southeastern province of Bitlis. Sinop Province in northern Turkey, near the Black Sea, recorded 282 isolated rural roads. In Trabzon, heavy snow combined with strong winds caused large waves on the coast, causing many fishing boats to run aground. Turkish authorities are urgently carrying out snow removal operations. Temperatures in some areas dropped to -20 degrees Celsius. Many schools were closed, construction activities were halted. Hundreds of flights were canceled over the weekend. Local authorities urged people to take measures to cope with the severe weather and avoid going out unless necessary, until the snow removal work is completed.